Hi guys, we're here in the doctor's office right now, but they're closed. I don't understand. My husband's appointment is supposedly 9:30, but they're closed. It's ridiculous. So I don't understand what's going on. They really are closed though. It's ridiculous. So anyway, my husband is trying to call them and contact them if somebody will answer.
They're open though, right?
Huh?
It does say they're open, right?
Is this open today? What? 10? So why we're here 9:30? Okay, then we'll wait. They're open, and they said my husband's appointment is 9:30, so I'm just sit them in the car because we're early. I guess I'm listening Papa Jack today. Love radio. Toot toot toot. Toot toot toot. Do you remember that toot toot toot? Let's open down. I'm listening Love radio. Papa Jack. After this we're going to.
Another appointment later.
Yeah, I know, but we're going
Stop
to.
at CVS at the road.
No, I want to go to Tarjay.
You don't have the bag with you. You have to go home to go to Target. So
Yeah.
we'll do it after the other appointment.
After the appointment?
The other appointment's like 11:30.
Okay. You know I'm going to walk in Target.
Well, definitely after the other appointment. So you want to get your nail polish over at Target? That's it. Because I figure at CVS you get your nail polish and I get wedding cards because we don't have cards for them.
For really, it's chilly. You need
It is not
a light
chilly.
sweater. Huh?
Are you kidding me?
For you, it's not. But did you feel the wind? It's you need a light sweater.
This is the most beautiful day we've had all summer, and you're talking about being chilly.
It's chilly, huh? Summer is summer. Supposedly be hot. My family is from this leg, and right now they're in Davao City. I'm very sorry if you're like laughing at my grammar, but it's okay as long as my grammar is not perfect, but you can understand what I'm trying to say. So, where is he now? Is it there smoking? He's smoking right there, he's smoking. Yes, guys. Yeah. Chris TV. Beef and pork. We're leaving again. And baby's back. She's going back. Okay, we're heading. Yeah, my husband makes me crazy. All the freaking time.
My wife creates her own little scenarios in her head and then plays them out like they were true.
No, it's not. Because I heard your mouth said, put it back, and they want it. So I put it back.
That's not even close.
When I put it back, I said, where's the bag?
Huh? In your head. You're so freaking crazy, right?
I'm not crazy. I'm just being. I
Clean
clean my ear properly, and I heard you say that.
You're not doing something right.
I really like this door. Every time you pass this house, it's double house, right? It's because it's double door. And the thing, it's only one number. But it's only one number. How did that happen?
So it's one number, two houses, two mailboxes.
Yeah, how did they know if that's the...
Worst case scenario, so we can grab pictures out of their mailbox and put it down. Probably a name on the mailbox.
We're out here again in Target. As usual, every time we come here, I always pick something and I film it for my husband. Thank you, my love. Huh? No, you can't. No, turn on red here. I wear yesterday. Just I don't throw it in the laundry yet. Anyway, I'm cooking again adobo, pork adobo, because we're leaving tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna have some leftover for Justin, for my husband's nephew. But we have something here. There's something here that he can eat. Justin is beside this player. That's when he's a kid. Now he's grown up. And what else? Oh yeah, my husband cleaned his car, and he's already on the way to car wash, because he's going to vacuum inside. The car needs to be cleaned for tomorrow. It's gonna get dirty anyway because we're gonna travel for like 7 hours. Hold on, guys. When I do adobo, I follow this recipe from Panlasang Pinoy, and I just got this pork ribs. This pork ribs here. I cut it in pieces. My husband is home, and I'm planning to make some sausage. I just baked some sausage because, for tomorrow it's important. I baked some sausage, and then I will fry it. It's just very small oil, and then I put it here and garlic. Oh, I forgot. I cut the garlic. Garlic. I don't know if it's okay if I put onion here. Onion.